Hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you guys. Just wanted you to know, to share something like being overseas or expats, what you can call, or OFW for all the Filipino out there, and even other nationality who's working overseas, other country. The first experience I've learned is there's a lot of things, but number one, of course, the weather it's really one of the best experience, and it's like kind of hot and cold only here in our place. I don't know on the other country. We experience only two weather here. It's either hot, just a summer, cold season. Just quite nice for me, which is I love it. Than to a tropical country. But of course, I used to it in the Philippines, where I lived before, and now I should adapt here the hot and the cold weather. Just two. It's a nice experience, guys. If it is hot, it's really hot here. You're going to experience like four or eight, like 4 months of cold season, and like 8 months, majority 8 months, or like more than the in a year, the hot or the summer here, which is hot, it's really hot, cold, it's really cold. And then rainy like very few in a year. You're going to experience maybe thrice or 4 times a year, like during changing the climate. You're going to experience what's raining before it will hot, and it will before it will be in summer. Sometimes sandstorm as well during hot. Rain very few. And the second is the culture, of course. Culture. You're going to see a lot of kind of different nationality, especially if you're very far from your family and you're going outside other country. Like you're going to see like different nationality, like maybe more than 10, or maybe more than 15 or 20 at least. I experienced to work Moroccan, Yemeni, Saudi, of course. What else? Syrian, Egyptian, Lebanese, Ethiopian, Sudan, Pakistan, Indian, Nepali, Myanmar. What else? Jordanian. What else? Moroccan. I've seen a lot. What else? Indonesian also. I worked before. Until now, guys, it's really overwhelmed because you usually work with same nationality before on your country, and now you need to work different nationality and different culture and beliefs, which is you should be open-minded. And the best experience, of course, you will gonna work with them. Same with the Filipino. There are some good, there are some not, and there are some joker or funny or same thing. We're all human beings. We have only two hands. Same people in this world living and working for our family, for our own future. What else? Number 3, I've said already. Number 1, weather, right? Weather. Then what else? The culture, tradition, maybe. Then number three, maybe the people. Yeah, the people, the workplace itself. Actually, work itself, I've experienced a lot of work. I work in a hotel, I work in restaurant, I work in a coffee shop. Most of it is service, like skilled worker. But I do really enjoy it, guys. You should be careful on what you're saying to others. You should be careful in everything. You should understand everything. To work and to adapt everything, you should be patient. You should be hardworking. You should be be very polite, honest, and loyal. And what you need to do is to work and focus to your duty. And as much as you can, give your best, because this experience, it will come only once in a lifetime, guys. Even let's say you can have another opportunity, it will not happen the same thing what you're doing right now. And you should be blessed. You should be thankful and blessed, of course. Like me, I'm running like 14 years. I was start in 2009, guys. I was 23 years old before, when I go outside the country and work overseas as a OFW, as an expat. I've learned a lot. And in any overseas, I've worked before in different companies or agencies, we can say. They're not the same, and some good, some bad. You're gonna experience everything though, but at least you're still blessed, and you're still move on and going forward, guys. There's a lot of opportunities I've been miss, which is good, and even until now, I need to enjoy whatever on my plate right now and focus on everything. I don't want to focus in one thing. I should focus in everything. And the long term, I've got the long term. I'm becoming a good person. I think a very understanding person, and stay on my foot as always, and God fearing. You're gonna realize all those things, guys, while you're outside. Of course, you should be very careful on what you're eating. Like, health is wealth, guys. You should be taking care of yourself first, because this is our profit, ourself, our body. Everything is really important for us. We should care every time first ourselves before anything else. Good sleep, good food, good rest. Three things: good food, good rest, good health, and of course focus on your duties, to give your best as always. We only live once, guys. You should be start now to change, to move on.